Hi, my name is Esther Salami, and these are the stories that are trending across the globe. First off, a United Nations judge called Lydia Mugambe has been convicted over the forced slavery of a Ugandan woman tricked into coming to the United Kingdom. When the victim arrived, this judge confiscated her passport and several of her documents, forcing her to work as a maid without any pay. Eventually, the victim reported the matter to a friend, and then they were able to reach out to police authorities. The United Nations judge is to be convicted on May 2nd. Moving forward, an Abia State businessman called Eke has sued First Bank over a 55 million naira fixed deposit fund withdrawal that was made in his account. He was in Umuaha when he discovered in December 2023 that this money which he put into his account was taken, just disappeared. And then despite numerous complaints to the bank, he was not refunded. An internal investigation was carried out in the bank, and several senior officials were dismissed. However, no refund was made to the businessman, prompting him to take legal actions. The bank legal counsel is yet to respond to these allegations. For more stories like this, be sure to check our website at thenews-chronicle.com. Also, like our social media platform, like this video, comment what you think about the topic for the day, and share it with your community. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.